there, welcome over here to this big huge Costco and Walmart grocery haul. I don't do a ton of grocery hauls over here at my channel, but when I do them, they are huge. So I really hope you enjoy this one. But my family was sick this past week, so I ended up doing the Walmart grocery pickup and the Costco delivery service just so we didn't have to go into the store. But I did get some fun, quirky things and I really hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. We're getting kicked off today with all of the Costco food items. I'm saving the Costco non-food items and the Walmart non-food items for the very end. But anyways, to begin, these chicken melts are so good. We like to pop them in the microwave, or I suppose you could put them in the oven or air fryer. These are just a quick snack or a quick lunch. They're definitely not this big. They're like half the size. But anyways, now we have these berries. I like to use these berries either in smoothies, cobblers, crisps, recipes. These berries are seriously so good. We go through a package of these berries, I'd say, every single week. We love them that much. Next, we have these pot stickers. These are the chicken and vegetable kind. And I love these for quick and easy lunches or quick dinners. And I don't know, we just like them. Even my daughter likes them, so I'm glad I got a package of those. And then I always get my nut butters from Costco just because in these specific ones, the only ingredient is pretty much just the peanuts or the almonds, and they're a decent price. So I put these in smoothies or use them in recipes, so we do go through them very quickly. Next, this was definitely unnecessary, but holy smokes. Doesn't dark chocolate sea salt caramel sound good? Yes, I thought they sounded good too, so that's why I picked this up. As you probably know, I have no self-control, so I already opened this container and ate 2 of them out, and they are just as good as they sound. Next, we have this Better Than Bouillon paste. I like to use this as opposed to like chicken broths or anything like that, just because this is cheaper. You could just put some of this in water, and then there you go. You have your chicken broth, chicken stock, and then you're golden. So next we have some blueberries and then strawberries. These are absolutely gorgeous. Costco always has such pretty fruit and vegetables. I don't typically always get my fruit and veggies from Costco because sometimes it's a little bit more pricey, but oh man, those are gorgeous. Next, we have some of this butter. Of course, yes, I know this is a ton of butter, but I do freeze about 90% of this butter, and I only keep a small amount in my fridge just because this freezes really well, and it's a decent price. Next, baby spinach. This goes in smoothies, recipes, you name it. We like it. Next is this coconut clusters. They're keto. I'm definitely not keto, but these were on coupon this week, so I picked them up. They just sound super duper good for a snack. Over to the toilet paper. I picked up 2 packages of toilet paper. Yes, it might seem like a ton of toilet paper, but we don't go to Costco like very often, and I'm going to be giving most of the second package actually to my sister, just because she's in college and Costco toilet paper is the cheapest in my opinion. But now we're going to move over to the dairy area. I have this Parmesan cheese. This is kind of like a fresh block of Parmesan cheese. I don't ever buy my Parmesan cheese like this, but I wanted to try it for this week. Colby Jack cheese, 2 things of mozzarella cheese, some more Parmesan cheese, because if you don't know yet, I'm obsessed with Parmesan, sour cream, sharp cheddar cheese, Colby Jack cheese, and then some cheese slices for sandwiches or whatnot. 2 gallons of milk. We already busted in 1 of the gallons just because Brinley was wanting a sippy cup with milk, and of course that was fine, so I gave it to her. Now we have some of these eggs, 18 brown eggs and 18 white eggs. Over here, some heavy whipping cream because I love my creamy pasta dishes. Now for my cans, I have this green chili enchilada sauce. I'm actually going to be making some creamy enchiladas this week. It's actually going to be on my Sunday's What's for Dinner video, so keep an eye out for that. Next is some kidney beans, just 2 cans of those, great for minestrone soups, and then like chilies. I was all out of diced tomatoes. If you don't know, I actually always buy the petite diced tomatoes for my recipes. I just prefer them over the other diced tomatoes for recipes. It's just my personal preference. Next is pinto beans, 3 cans of those. I was all out of pinto beans. A can of chicken noodle soup. I thought this would be great just in case somebody starts feeling sick again. can of no-fat traditional refried beans. I really didn't get a ton for the Walmart produce this week, but here's what I have. Just some tomatoes on the vine, avocados. I like using avocados in my salads. If you don't know that yet already, it just adds a nice touch on top of a salad or for sandwiches or recipes. Some of this squeezed garlic. I've actually been buying this the past few weeks, or I guess I should say the past month or two, but I like this other than peeling garlic. I do like the taste of fresh garlic better, but this has been working well. Bananas. Brindley likes eating bananas for breakfast. Some asparagus for a recipe. Romaine for salads. If you don't know yet, I'm obsessed with onions, so I picked up a ton of onions for recipes. These will last a while. Orange bell pepper. Some of these potatoes, these are the gemstone potatoes. They're a little tiny. I think that they're tricolored and they are so good. We love them. And then some cherry tomatoes, a head of some iceberg, 2 limes, a zucchini for a recipe. And then I couldn't help myself but not get some of the salsa. It just looked so good when I was ordering my grocery pickup. It's from the produce section, so it's cold. I don't know. It just looks more, I guess, fresh. But anyways, now we're going to go over to the meats. I just picked up one of these packages of chicken, a pound of some ground turkey, some of these hot dogs, and some of this Polish kielbasa. I didn't get a ton of meats just because I just have meats on hand right now. I didn't really need a lot, so this is just to get us through for the next little while. I actually still have some chicken on hand, but I wanted fresh chicken for tonight's dinner, so I didn't have to thaw any. But now back over here, we got some taco sauce, some of the salsa verde. This is going to go into a white chicken soup, some normal salsa just for another recipe. And then to put on top of my salads, I love these dried cranberries and pecans. I picked up 2 of those, and then dried cranberries and almonds, and then some tortilla strips, and then Caesar croutons. These are all for salads except for the tortilla strips. I like to put that on soups. I really didn't get much for breads, I'd say. I just got some white corn tortillas and then hot dog buns just because I do have some bread on hand that I do want to use up. And then back here, of course, I have no self-control with chips, so I busted into these bold Chex Mix already. I do like them. I don't know if I like these better or the normal Chex Mix. I just don't know yet. But I got some of this tortellini. This cheese tortellini is a really great price from Walmart, so that's why I picked that up. Some frozen bags of vegetables. I do like to keep some frozen bags of broccoli and peas on hand just for some quick sides for dinner. Salt. This actually isn't the salt that I asked for, but that is okay. They substituted that. And then 2 boxes of couscous. These couscous boxes are great for side dishes as well. I've actually never picked up these Tina's burritos before, but I thought they'd be a great little lunch or whatever. My husband loves bean and cheese burritos, so those are mainly for him. This was definitely an impulse purchase, but hey, why not? Some of these bomb pops, I remember them from my childhood, and ice cream trucks always have them, and my body is wanting it to be summer, and it's not summer yet, so those will make me feel like it's summer. But anyways, these Sister Schubert's dinner yeast rolls, if you've never purchased those before, go do it right now. Buy them. They are so good. 2 big bags of jasmine rice. I've been buying jasmine as opposed to regular long grain white rice just because I do like the taste of jasmine better. Some more tortellini. This is just the dried tortellini for a different type of recipe. I have 2 boxes of spaghetti noodles and 1 box of fettuccine. Pasta elbows, pasta, oh dear, I am not even going to try to say that, but I just thought these noodles looked cool. So Brindley, my daughter, she loves when I try out unique type of noodles, like kind of weird ones, so I'm sure she'll eat that just because, I don't know, I think she just likes the change. And then these are more snacks for Brindley, just some of these organic bunny grams, goldfish. This is like, I've never gotten goldfish this big before, but my husband is obsessed with goldfish. Oh look, yes, we already opened the goldfish too. Yeah, this stuff hasn't even been home for 20 minutes and everybody's chowing everything. More sides, 4 cheese, pasta, chicken, and rice. These are just great sides when I'm trying to make a quick dinner and, you know, don't really feel like making a huge side. Okay, I thought this was hysterical. So I asked for 2 of the big containers of Quaker oats and they gave me 7 of the smaller ones of the Minute Oats. I'm totally fine with that because we're eventually gonna go through it. We eat like 2 of these containers a week of oats for breakfast, but I literally thought that was so hysterical that they gave me like so many oats, but it's okay, I'll take it. Now back here, these great grains, I got raisin, dates, and pecans, and then some of these crunchy cinnamon. I don't know, I love great grains, that's my favorite cereal. But now for the non-food items, I didn't get a ton, but these Oral-B toothbrushes were, I think, $3 or $5 off at Costco. So I picked these up. There's a ton of toothbrushes and I do like to have extra toothbrushes on hand when guests are over at our house because I feel like whenever I travel on vacation I always forget my toothbrush. So I'm always happy when I stay at somebody's house and they have toothbrushes for me. So that's part of the reason why I bought so many toothbrushes. And then back here, some of this Cascade complete just dishwasher pods. I was hoping that was on coupon, but it wasn't. We paid full price for that. And then some of these electrical plugs, just safety for toddlers and whatnot. Just some scrunchies. I've actually been loving to use these scrunchies in my hair recently. They're just, I don't know, they're really nice on lazy bun days. Over here for all of the stain removers, you see I have spray and wash and then OxyClean. I have a different stain remover now for Brinley's clothes, but it really hasn't been working great. So I got 2 of these. I'm really hoping they work better because I really don't like when Brinley's clothes gets all stained or our clothes, and it's just, I don't know, not great. So I'm really hoping that these take away stains. And then some of this bath shower foam cleaner thing for our shower. And then some of these pants. So you could probably see it right here. I got size medium, but they're Fila. They're on sale, I think, for $11 right now. I'll hold it up. They're women's joggers. I know they kind of look like men's clothes right now, but women's joggers, they just look unbelievably comfortable. I don't really buy clothes that aren't comfortable, so, oh, there goes the dinner rolls. But anyways, I just thought they looked comfortable, so of course I picked up 2 of them. And we're really glad I did when the guy with our groceries came because holy smokes, they look nice. And that is a wrap of this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. And on Friday this week, I'm posting a one-pot dinner ideas video, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss that. And I will see you there. Bye for now.